Apple is gearing up for a massive 2026 blowout, and fans are already buzzing. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. For its 50th anniversary, Apple's coming with a wave of new gadgets, upgrades, and AI-powered surprises that could redefine your digital life. According to Mark Gurman, Apple isn't holding back next year, as many releases are set to hit every corner of its ecosystem. 2026 will kick off with a fresh iPhone 17e with the A19 chip, a sleeker design, and the dynamic island replacing the old notch. iPad lovers won't be left behind either. Apple's updating its entry-level iPad with the A18 chip and giving the iPad Air a power boost with the new M4 chip. Early 2026 is shaping up to be all about faster, smarter, and sleeker devices. Spring will bring Apple's long-awaited mark in the smart homes. Rumor says a smart speaker with a built-in display and a wall-mounted smart screen will finally arrive. It'll have AI-powered Siri to understand your on-screen actions, context, and apps like never before. Gurman says this is Apple closing the gap between claim and reality. And by June, WWDC will showcase the next wave of software: iOS 27, macOS 27, watchOS 27, and major updates to Apple Intelligence. Gurman also said that Apple's doubling down on AI to finally compete with rivals, and finally in September, the real show would begin with the iPhone 18 launch. And hold your breath for the long-speculated foldable iPhone that might finally debut. Apple Watch fans are also in for a treat, plus a preview of Apple's mysterious smart glasses could drop too. And yes, a refreshed iPad mini is expected before year-end as well, although the iPad Pro will have to wait until 2027. With all this, 2026 is shaping up to be Apple's biggest year yet. 50 years in, and the company's proving it's still capable of shocking and delighting fans worldwide. Which product has got your attention? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.